ExamView's Select by Criteria. This method allows you to select questions based on data in any of the question information fields. It allows you to create a wide variety of tests quickly from broad knowledge based or from general concepts. First, click Create a new test from scratch. Next, name your test. Click OK. From the icons up top, go ahead and select the fifth one in, Select by Criteria. Navigate to the bank that contains the questions you'd like to pull from. Select the bank and click on it. Now click on Select. Again, the bank is now in the bottom window. I see there are 84 questions available. Click Next. Now the first thing we need to do is look at our search options. We can either match criteria exactly or find using wildcards. We can then also choose what type of question we would like. Keep it at any. All these different fields I can use to choose. So for example, I'm going to look at my first one using the difficulty level. And I'm going to choose the Bloom's Level application. One thing that's important is once I choose a different criteria, you'll see that my available questions is displayed down here. This is always important to do. So I'm now going to look at my learning objectives, and I'm just going to go ahead and select that one, say OK. You now see I have 10 questions available. But let's just say I wanted to choose a state standard, and I'm just going to choose that one. By me putting that last criteria on, it now changed my possible questions from 10 to nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep that selected and hit my delete key, bringing me back to my last criteria. So I could keep adding criteria and or taking criteria away. My next option is to either select while viewing, which means I'll see the question and choose them, or I can say select randomly. And I'm just going to say select randomly. I'm going to tell it how many questions to pick, and I'm going to say all 10 of them. Click OK. It's now building the test. I could actually go and create more criteria and add more questions to the test, but I'm just going to say no at this point and click Close. And now my test has been created. One of the things we've been showing you throughout all these videos is this bar right here. These are my question selection options. At any time, I can go back and modify a test that's currently been made, or I can go ahead and make a new test from here, just clicking on one of these icons to open up the appropriate test building method. This was ExamView's Select by Criteria method.